So here's how to turn off antivirus on Windows 11. First, you will need to right click on the Windows Start icon and then go to Settings, and then search for Windows Security Settings, and then open it and click on Virus and Threat Protection. Wait for it to open, and now click on Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. And now make sure to disable real-time protection and then press yes if you're prompted. Now this should temporarily disable the protection, and it should be back automatically after a few minutes or hours, I think, or when you restart PC. Now if you have other antiviruses separate from Windows Defender, you simply you can simply disable them from the taskbar below. So when you click on the arrow on the taskbar in here, it should show up all the open antiviruses. You can usually right click on the icon, and then you can turn off protection for a period of time, or turn them completely until you turn them on back again. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.